What's up, everybody? This is Aaron with the Megalithic Mystery, and on today's episode of Ancient Explorations, we're taking a look at a site that perfectly encapsulates the spirit of what it's like to live in Cusco, Peru. Bizarre fusion of ancient and modern that perfectly blends together to create spectacular vistas and incredible places to explore. I'm talking, of course, about the ancient Incan grain storage site of Silkinchani, located only about 1 minute outside the city of Cusco. Let's explore. Now, first you can see here as I get into the video, let me rewind just a little bit. You see that it's very high. The city of Cusco is located about 3,200, 3,300 meters in altitude.
This is Aaron with the Megalithic Mystery, and I'm here at Silkinchani, an Incan site located right in Cusco. I should say right outside the city. It's a really fantastic place with a really great view. Let's explore. As you can see there's the city of Cusco. And then here we have these Incan ruins situated right here, right next to the highway. Still these huge buildings with obviously some restoration work done. But amazing to just see these Incan structures literally right next to the town, right next to the people here. Very cool place. Silkinchani.
You can tell it's clearly Incan by the use of mortar in the middle of each of the walls.
It is a beautiful day here in Cusco.
If you look closely.
It's about 70 degrees, 23 degrees, I think, 22. Oh man, beautiful day. Beautiful ruins here.
Oh, you know me, I've always got to climb around and clamber over absolutely everything.
Exploring more here up on the second terrace.
It is pretty neat that everything the Incan did was on terraces, if they could. They really geoengineered the heck out of that place. Jeez Louise, I need some background music or something going. Thankfully this is just a short video, guys. Just a short one for today. Gotta crawl through the hole. Of course. Now, these were grain storage buildings. I can't remember if I get into it in the video here a little bit, but this is grain storage. So because of the high elevation, the air doesn't retain a lot of moisture or heat. So if you're not in the direct sunlight and you have lots of air ventilation, you can keep potatoes and corn for a long time. So they would build these buildings on the side of hills with lots of room for air to go through, and as long as they kept the corn or potatoes out of the sun, they would last a long time. In addition to that, they would also, and still do, dehydrate potatoes out in the sun and make dehydrated potatoes. They don't taste very good. I mean, as you'd expect dehydrated potatoes to do. But they'll sustain you and they'll keep you going for however long you need to go. Pretty cool stuff. But it is really neat that you can hear the freeway right there. You see that hill on the opposite side. I used to have a friend that lived right over there. This is pretty near to where I used to live in Urbanización Tupac Amaru, which is just a neighborhood. It's a barrio that's located a little bit down the road from here. Here's just a picture of the bottom site.
Just look at the top of Silkinchani. See the Incan construction here. More down there. Over here at the base of Silkinchani, you see the remnants of some Incan structures. Very cool, right next to the highway there. And just some more Incan buildings up here, and they have looks like some grain storage up on top of the hill.
Yeah,
but we'll get there in just a second.
Had these videos out of order. can see the freeway right there. It actually took me a long time to actually find this site, mainly because it was like the way to get there is not clear. There's not like road indicators or anything like that, but it is a really fantastic place. One of my favorite parts about living in Cusco is you live right there, right in the midst of these ancient sites. For anybody that hasn't come down to the area, definitely hit up megalithic.mystery.com/tours and join me on a tour down there. We visit lots of these places. We probably won't visit Silkinchani because it's, you know, small and insignificant, but we'll visit all these places down there, and it's so much fun. And secondly, I noticed that most of you guys that watch these videos are not subscribed to my channel. So what I need you guys to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'm starting this channel out. It really means a lot from the bottom of my heart. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. And as always, stay awesome, stay engaged, always ask questions, and know that I love you.